to admit it. I'm not used to laying low. I'm a feeling. Tell the world or write a book when I'm finished.
So today I'm actually doing a new skincare routine. I'm starting off with this toner. It's like this one. It's like a blueberry toner from Innisfree. And then I put that shit on. I've used cotton pads before. I don't know, I just kind of stopped because I got lazy, but I'm gonna try to start using them again. And then next I have, we're trying this. It's like a sample from this store called Believe. I got a lot of their products. Oh, you guys can't see that. Here. I got it from the Face Shop here in Canada, and I got like 2 of their products. The face wash that you guys saw earlier, and then this jelly cream thing. I can just like dip my finger in and rub it in. I'm thinking of actually buying more of this because it makes my skin feel all nice afterwards. After that, I put on this cream. It's more like a jelly type of cream because it's very jelly-ish. Like look, it's like nut. But it's kind of nice, you know? If nut felt and smelled like this, I might actually use, actually no, that's really gross, never mind, cut that out. After that, I put on, oh my shit! After that, I put on some moisturizer. And then because I am going out today, I am putting on some sunscreen. The moisturizer and the sunscreen, they're like things I've had before, but the Believe products, these things are new. Okay, now I'm ready for the day. Hey, look at my instant noodle socks. Aren't they so cute? So right now I'm gonna go pick up my mom and then we're gonna go get some groceries together because later today I'm gonna make some Korean cold noodles. It's called Bibimmyeon. Whatever the fuck it's called, I'm gonna make that today and it's gonna be great. So let's go. Zoom zoom.
I could be more faithful, but I feel like that happen. So I run around this.
So you want to start with the pot of boiling water, add some salt because the guy you like doesn't like you back, add your noodles in, and then you want to later drain your noodles just like you drain your tears, and then you want to rinse it with cold water because you want to simulate what it's like being dead inside. For the sauce, a little bit of chili flakes, maybe a little bit more, and then you want to add chili paste. Then you want to add a lot of sugar, not a little bit, and garlic because you know you're already used to stanky ass breath, and then add some apples in because you know an apple a day keeps the virgins away. Fuck. Anyways, pineapple juice, I think that was it. And then blend that shit together because it's better than blending your own foundation. After it mixes, I realized that I forgot to add rice vinegar and sesame oil, so don't forget that. But that's it for the sauce. Later, you want to grab your cold noodles and then pour your sauce on top. It kind of looks like spaghetti, but it's not, I promise. It's spicy as fuck actually. And then you want to top it off with cucumber and seaweed, and boom, you're done. Okay, let's eat it now. So here's the final bowl. It kind of got a little ugly because I added the seaweed flakes, but I think after I mix it, it should be fine. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. I've had this before, but only like the instant noodle kinds. So I've never actually made this from scratch, so I'm kind of excited to see how this tastes. Time to dig in. That's pretty good. It's like not too spicy, but it's spicy enough. I'm also eating it with some seaweed flakes. I think the apple and the pineapple kind of gives it a really good flavor. It makes it taste a lot more fresh. You okay?
Is it busted?
I like it. It's just spicy though. It's just spicy though. Hello. My friend Kate is here to hang out. Kate had some earlier, but she already finished it.
So good.
I am innovating by making it into a little sushi roll, but not really. I just finished and now I'm gonna go clean my hands and then be right back. So if you guys don't know, I actually really like bubble tea. Well, those in America, you guys call it boba, but I got invited to this boba event. This company, Cha Time, invited me out to like a grand opening for, honestly, I don't really know what the fuck it is, but I just said I was going. And I'm also bringing my friend Evan, so we're gonna go check it out. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Zoom, zoom.
Summer 10, I'm on bed. So bust out the rim, bust out the spin. Piecing it in, but
Mother fishing, mother's kitchen.
Hello, Evan's here.
Hello.
How was your trip back from New York?
It was so fun.
Damn.
Good to be back though.
Yeah.
You know, coming back from America. It's nice to be back in Canada.
That's true. Was New York scary, like walking around and stuff?
Okay, at first I was actually really scared to go back because it's my first time back in the US since the pandemic,
Oh, right.
And then, I mean, I was fully vaccinated and also always wearing my mask and bringing hand sanitizer.
Mm.
But it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
I think it's because the internet just makes America seem so scary.
No, it does, honestly.
Yeah. But all right, let's go check this place out. So we're trying to look for this place, but we ended up in some sketchy area. I really hope we're not gonna get scammed or robbed or kidnapped.
This is so sketchy.
Dude, this is so sketchy.
So sketchy.
We're just in an alleyway.
Maybe back here.
Oh, I went to the wrong location. Oh no.
111.
It's okay. It's not too far though. Okay, so now we're at the right place. This is so cool. Whoa, it's so pretty. Hello. Hi. I'm okay.
Here for the event?
Yes.
And your name is?
Kevin. Liu. L-I-U.
L-I-U?
Yeah. He's my friend, my plus one.
Okay.
Just a couple.
Your name is?
Evan?
You work with Cha-Cha.
Yeah.
You are on our TikTok.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
I saw you, I'm like, he looks really familiar, but I thought you were from Toronto.
Yeah, I am from Toronto. I moved to Vancouver.
Oh, UBC.
Yeah.
So we're giving out t-shirts as
Oh.
part of the swag bag. What size would you guys like? There's small, medium, large.
I'll take a large.
Can I take a medium, please?
Medium? Okay, perfect.
Oh, people come in here for photos and stuff.
Oh, damn. Oh, I should get my jacket.
Oh, you want to grab it?
Yes,
Okay.
please, thank you.
Okay. We're gonna go grab a jacket and then we'll come back. Oh, there's so many rooms. Whoa, bro. Yo, that's so trippy. Dude, yeah. Yeah, dude. This will definitely give me like a freaking headache. And then this one is like an upside down. Yeah. Holy shit. And they got good lighting here too. Damn. Hello, nice to meet another vlogger. Let's go. Hi.
Let's go.
Actually, like, it was actually pretty cool, bro. It's actually so cool. Dude, I suck. That was a good one. A good break. All right. Oh no! I lost so fast. So my photographer that did my grad photos, he's also here. Hey. Hello, Hugo.
Hey, guys.
What? Oh, yo, that's crazy. Shit. Are you a TikToker by any chance?
I'm not.
Oh, okay. I thought you seemed familiar because I don't know. I thought you did TikTok. It's okay.
Oh, I'm not. Yeah, that's the one app I don't have.
Ah. Yeah. That's so cool. You want photos here or?
That's okay.
Okay. With these lights, we see like 3 different colors, so that's pretty cool. And then this wall, when you touch it, it changes. Oh, they got a ball pit. Oh my god. Damn. I wonder how much it would have costed to set all this up.
So much money.
Yeah, bro. Whoa, that is so cool. There's so many flowers on the ground. Oh my gosh.
I like this.
Whoa! Yo, this is so sick! What the fuck?
So we're known for infinity rooms.
Yo, it just goes on forever. This is actually so cool. Oh, I love it. And we have the whole space. Ah! Oh shit, I just ran into one. Alright, let's take photos.
My racks up, I didn't wanna tax us, so I gotta keep all my receipts. Like you with a red dot, leave a pussy red.
I had some extra footage left over, so B-roll. Thank you again for like inviting me out here. It's crazy, yeah.
That was awesome. You wanted a medium, right?
Oh, Evan's medium, I'm large.
You wanted a large? I got you down for small and medium.
Oh, I'll take a large.
Do you mind if taking a medium?
I mean, yeah, I guess medium's okay. I'll just take it as it is, it's okay.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah, thank you so much. Yo, that is so much, holy shit.
Our new drink.
The fresh air is so nice. That was a good event. So I just arrived at the gas station to get some gas, but there's like a whole ass biker gang meetup going on right now. Oh my god.
Should go join.
No. feel like I'm too pussy to join a biker gang, bro.
Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say.
Hello. I think the pump at gas number 4 is broken. Oh, I'm vlogging.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Can I be in your vlog?
Wait, let me finish this first. I wanted 25, not 40. Do you want to say hi?
Hey.
Hello.
Are you like actually famous or like?
Not really. I
Okay,
just.
don't worry, you will be one day.
I mean, if you want, you can look up my channel.
Sure. What is it?
Kevin Liu. It's just my name.
LA. Got
Yeah.
it. I'll follow
Okay.
you.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Have a good night. I just got home. It was such a cool day today. I'm gonna head up and pass the fuck out. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay down bad. Go drink some water. Peace. That's a long ass intro. What the fuck?